Hi, we're Noel and Rick, and we're from 3D Maastricht and Make a Point. And together with MeWeek Maastricht, this year we organize a 3D business event. Make your move into 3D.
There's huge potential economically from 3D printing, and the technology seems to be ready. We want to have supply and demand meet each other, and especially help the small and medium enterprises. And we organize an event, it's very unique, it's all about application and not so much about the technology.
It's the opportune chance to get your company involved into 3D and see where your business potential is and make the right move into 3D right now.
We have some keynote speakers, but also colleague entrepreneurs who will show you the evidence that they are in business based on 3D. So hopefully we'll see you at May 10th here at the Bosstraat.